Hi Crochet family, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is the very first class of Crochet Fundamentals. This class is for beginners, absolute beginners who would like to learn how to crochet, and I will help you through this journey. In the very first class, we learn to make a slip knot. To start any crochet project, we need to learn what is a slip knot or how do we create a slip knot, because we need to attach the yarn to the crochet hook. To show you, I have two crochet hooks here. This is a soft handle aluminum tip crochet hook. This is very ergonomic, soft to hold and work with. This is one of my favorites. This is a 4mm crochet hook with an aluminum tip and a soft silicone crochet handle or a shaft. The other crochet hook that I have is a full aluminum crochet hook. It's completely full aluminum crochet hook. It's very sleek, very smooth. This too is a 4mm 4mm crochet hook. Now, a slip knot is created so that you can start your projects in crochet. So this is the yarn that we are working with. This yarn is a 4-ply yarn. How do we know it's a 4-ply yarn? The end of the yarn, if you see clearly and pull them out slightly to understand better, there are 4 threads wound together. Please have a look. There are 4 threads wound together to form one single yarn. This classifies it as a 4-ply yarn. So let's get on with the video tutorial class. So we are learning the very basic as to how to create a slip knot and attach it to our working crochet hook. To begin, we need to take the tail end where the end is. You need to tail end and place it on your palm like this. The other end, which is still attached to this yarn ball, we need to wrap it around our finger, creating an X mark. This is the tail end, this is the working end, and I just looped it around my finger to create an X mark right here. Now with my thumb, I will pinch this X, and this loop that is formed, I will insert my crochet hook inside the loop. With my hook facing downwards, I will grab the working yarn this way, twist it up so it gets locked, and pull it through the loop. Once I have it out of the loop, my yarn is still on my hook. I will hold both ends of the yarn, pull it slowly to cinch up this knot. To cinch up this loop here, I will give a tug on my working yarn, which is right here, slightly, so this cinches up comfortably enough for my hook to move around inside this loop or the knot. So once I remove this hook, you can see this is my working loop and this here is my slip knot. I will show it to you one more time. What you need to do is, you need to keep your tail end on your palm, wrap the working end on your finger, create an X mark, pinch that X mark with your thumb. Insert your crochet hook inside the loop. Grab the yarn strand from the other side. Grab the yarn from the other side and pull it through the loop. Hold both the ends and slowly pull, creating a knot right here. To cinch up this loop and start working, we will hold on to our working yarn and pull it so that my loop is cinched up to a comfortable loop in which I can start working my crochet projects. This was the class 1 of our Crochet Fundamentals, learning how to make a slip knot and attaching it to your hook. Thank you so much, and do visit again for more beginner friendly crochet tutorials. Thank you.